Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam and this is Soft Touch Hollies in 2 minutes. Soft Touch Hollies have become one of the most popular border or foundation plants. It becomes just a perfect little low mounding evergreen shrub, only gets 2 to 3 feet in height, can get probably 3 to 4 feet in width. Has a nice looking soft looking texture to it, much better than an old one called Helleri that this one has kind of replaced. It's very boxwood-like and requires almost no maintenance. It can be pruned pretty much any time from late winter until about midsummer. You can be shaped up if you even need to. This one has not really been pruned at all, and it's just a perfect little low dome. I've had this one in this container in this yard for a year, and I haven't touched it at all. It can be fertilized in the late winter. These are listed on a lot of websites from zone 5 all the way down to zone 9. My guess is probably 5B at best, and probably a foundation plant in 5B, solidly in 6 to 8. And then in zone 9, if you're in the southeast Texas or something like that, I don't think this plant's going to hold up all that well in the full sun for you. You might want to pick a tougher plant in that space. Zone 9, in where you have cooler summers out west, maybe not a problem at all. This plant likes a lower pH. It will get off colored and kind of yellow if the pH is too high. It needs to be mounded up a little when it's planted. It's not particularly drought tolerant. I don't think Japanese hollies as a group, sky pencils, Helleris, steeds, soft touch, none of them are all that drought tolerant. Deer will snack on these. I don't think it's very high on their list. You're not really going to get a lot of insect or disease problems, I don't think, unless they were under stress for some reason, maybe underwatering or something like that. But overall, perfect little low doming evergreen shrub. Like I say, extremely popular plant because of its low maintenance, perfect evergreen doming quality. So thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. I frequently have a longer version of these videos on my channel that may show me planting them and maybe some additional information that I didn't share in this shortened version. I also have playlists on this channel for very specific needs. If you're looking for screening plants or foundation plants or shade plants, or you're in like zone 6 or 7, I have playlists that include all the plants that will grow in your area. So look for those playlists on my channel. Thanks for watching.